Hello, this is Youngblood's workshop. Here are the test corrections. So we're going to start at the beginning. I know I broke the rules and I already did them all, but I'm very, very tired and I need to get as much of this as I can. So for the first problem here, it's going the cotangent and the sine, and then you have to plug in 0. And of course, cotangent 0 plus sine 0, it's undefined because the cotangent 0. Inverse function of log base 10x, it's going to be 10 to the x. For true or false, you can always divide by e to the x. That is very true. And then right here, this limit, after plugging it in, you get 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 2, which is 1 over 1. Even taking the absolute value of the bottom to get that. And then over here, the vertical and horizontal asymptotes I lined out, and I still put them here. When you're coming from the limit x going to the infinity, that's going to be 2. And it's this one right here. It's going to be, that's going to the infinity on the x, sorry. And then right here, going x to the 2 negative. It's right there. It's going to negative infinity, and 2 positive, going to positive infinity. That's question number 1. Here we are, question number 2. So don't mind the mess. The first thing you got to do is find the inverse function here, 2 plus e to the 4 x to the third minus 1. So here's what you had to do is convert, first of all, convert the f into a y and keep the y to the x's. I subtracted to the 2 over here, had this, took the natural log. We're going over here, dang, then we got this going on, and then now we've got the natural log taken, dividing it by 4 equals y to the cubed. So now it's y cubed right over this. The domain is going to be 2 to the infinity, and that's because right here, x minus 2 equals x minus 2 greater than 0, x greater than 2, right there, 2 to infinity, and close intervals. And then for the range, it's all real numbers. The range works out like that. And then, of course, multiplying it by the g, got here the work right there. Obviously, that's not how you're supposed to do it. I did it the right way right there, and I got that. Next one, page number 3. Of course, this one has no correction needed for it because here, as you can see, booyah. And then this one as well, I combined them. I took out the s's, and then took out the s's, and there you go. Plugged in the limit, there you go, 4. And for this one, don't mind that. Here's the actual way. I times it by 1 over x cubed. I know that you didn't really have to show the work, but still, I got 3 from it. And then over here, this one was a bit of a conundrum, but we got it regardless. This is the right answer to a very wrong method, so I did the right answer with the right method. Of course, right here, I did it by the conjugate this time, and then I had it over here, since I had the conjugate and not combining them, but no, yeah, that's what I did, sorry. And then over here, what I did from here to here was I took... I split them apart again, and then I plugged in the infinities for the limits, getting 0 plus 0 equaling 0. Getting the precise definition of a limit for x squared minus 4x equals negative 3. Of course, getting the negative 3 over, and this all looks fine and dandy, and it is fine and dandy, except for that big old mistake. Whoops, sorry about that. And of course, that's not the right one. Here we are, this is the right way to put it. So there you go for that, for the definition of a limit. Thank you very much. And this one is a doozy. Of course, I did not actually put it on this page. This is very wrong, so we're going to take it over to this page. Thank you, page. So the first thing you're going to notice is that this is already converted straight to x plus 3. All you do is factor it out. X minus 3 cancels each other out. X plus 3. And I did this a very, very sad way. Don't worry. But right there, I did it this kind of way where, like... that's fun and all. And all in all, after all this work and frustration and fun, there we go. And that is the continuity. That's for 6. I didn't do the bonus one this time, but these are Youngblood's workshop corrections. Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to give a personal shout out to Jaffar, Shamid Ali, I believe I'm saying that right, for being the dopest professor and watching this video. So... hopefully these corrections go through. I'm sorry if I didn't get all of them. I really did work my best out here, though, so let me know how things go.